Shalom, Kedoshim and sinners. Today is now the 5th day of Sukkot, and I'm at the nature center. I just took a shit in the outhouse, and now I gotta get going because it's gonna get dark soon, and I didn't bring my reflective hoodie or a light. So if I'm gonna ride through here again, it's gotta be fast, and I'm gonna get my butt home. I prefer this way. Anyway, I'm gonna have to say shalom because, I need to be able to ride faster and have both hands on the handlebars. So, shalom.